Hi everybody, my name is Forrest Carter. You may know me from Carter Releases. I'm also a professional archer on the NFAA competitive circuit, outdoor rider, as well as a bow hunter. Today I'm here to share with you a revolutionary new tracking device called the Pro Tracker. The Pro Tracker gives you a transmitter that attaches to the animal's hide that when the animal goes out of sight, which when it's instances when you've lost blood trail, when you've lost track, or when it rains, it allows you to be able to track that animal from the transmitter with a receiver that's held in your hand. This product gives you one more insurance policy in order to do your best to recover that animal. You simply screw the carrier onto your arrow just like you would a standard broadhead. The Pro Tracker has a radio transmitter that attaches to the animal's hide, which is held in place by a shear pin. As with field tips and broadheads, you can't guarantee the same impact point. You will need to tune and sight in for the Pro Tracker system. Once you're sighted in and ready to go, the Pro Tracker system is very repeatable, very consistent, and functions beautifully. And now the fun part, we're going to let a couple fly. This one's at 20 yards. Not bad. Yep, held good. Impacted just right exactly where I was aiming. Looks like a good shot. Yeah, it's a bit windy, but we'll see how it does at 30. Even with the difficulties of shooting with it in the wind, the flight was still very repeatable. The transmitter stayed in the hide like it should, and the penetration was just great. I'm really pleased with the results of this. It's a go. Something, please.